everybody, welcome to Crafty Becky Tutorials. I'm Crafty Becky, and in this tutorial we're going to be making back to school printables. Back to school is happening this month or next month, so make sure to get these listed in your store to start making money. And make sure to subscribe to be part of the Crafty family. If you're already a Crafty family member, give yourself a big hug from me. Well, let's get started. So this is Sell Samurai. It's my tool to find trending printables. There's Google Most Trending too. And you see printables have for almost like 500,000 search volume. And printables are over here on Etsy. This is Etsy's most trending. Like affirmations are doing well. Printables that encourage. Career printables are doing quite well. Like a Bigfoot printable, Father's Day printable. August printable, Printable Sunday, fireworks printable. I guess that's for 4th of July. You know, Bugs printable, a printable dandelion, printable store, like printable sugar. Printable congrats. Let's do printable education. Let's see what we get with that. And then let's go over to Etsy and also search educational printables. And we got daily routines, kids can cook, ultimate bundle, educational posters, preschool learning bundle, preschool activity, toddler worksheets, winter animal, kids alphabet worksheets, and Hindi. Oh, it's in a different language. That's pretty cool. And then we got, you know, educational posters. And then we got, you know, science posters. Oh, I think science posters might be pretty cool. What do you think? That's a good idea. Let's see if science posters look like this. The colors education is doing well. Look how high the search volume for colors education is. It just has 5,000 competition, but look how high the search volume is. Arabic education. Wow, look how low the competition for Arabic. Like I don't speak Arabic, but I could use like a translator to find Arabic words, I guess. An education badge, education certificate. Look, a certificate. That's like a cool printable idea. Kindergarten education. General education, Chinese, just any language. If you speak a foreign language, you might want to make a printable about that. Make an education, and let's go through here. Let's go to page 1. Printable education, education printable, 68,000 search volume, vintage, education, presentation, nursery education, education kids, education t-shirts. And digital nature. Oh, I like the nature education. Yeah, that's a really cool printable idea. Nature education. Look how high the search volume is. And then it has like 3,000. I'm sure back to school, you're always wanting to educate kids about nature, especially if you're selling on teachers pay teachers. Let's see what nature education printable. Let's see what that gives. Look, there's like different butterflies. Look, there's different butterflies. Look, a nature journal, mud kitchen recipe cards, botany collection, all my nature journal, alphabet bundle. That's pretty cool. An alphabet bundle, preschool literacy, nature alphabet bundle, and forest school posters. And we got leaves education, and then loose part education, nature education flashcards. That's pretty cool, like educational flashcards. Look, a flowers poster with different flowers. Look, a nature scavenger hunt. That's pretty cute. Yeah, I think like a scavenger hunt might be a really awesome printable to make. So let's get Canva out. Let's go to Canva. I think that might be a good idea. And then let's create a new design. And let's do a US letter. And then let's go to File, Settings, Show Rules and Guides, and File, Settings, Show Margins. And now let's go over here and let's go to Text, and let's add a heading and call it Nature Scavenger Hunt. And center it here, and then click it again and move it up so it's by the margin. And we can change the font I think that's a cute font, kind of looks childish. And then let's go to elements and what kind of nature animals. Let's look at pictures in Canva, like graphics. Let's go to maybe just forest animals. And then this one had like trees, like just nature. So maybe we should put just nature. Like a tree, that might be good. So let's just do nature and let's go put like a tree here. And then let's get some like leaves. And let's make like 2 columns so they can do check boxes in the rows. Maybe like three columns. Yeah, maybe 3 columns would do. And I don't want them to find a bee. Probably if they see like a dragonfly, like that might be a good one. And then maybe some flowers. For that one. They look like a butterfly. But let's get the rows. So I want the pictures to be like that. The rows out. I'm making lines by going over here and just moving, like dragging across with my mouse. Then I want room for the check boxes. Then let's do like rows too. Keep it clean. And then let's see what other one. Maybe rocks could be another nature thing they could find. And they could maybe, I don't know about mushrooms, because some of the mushrooms could be poisonous. You don't want children to encounter poisonous mushrooms, like that wouldn't be good. And then they could maybe find a snail. Maybe like a bird too. They could look for a bird. And let's put this in another row here. Let's see what else. Let me caterpillar. Could find a caterpillar. And what else might be out there? Maybe just spot a bee, you know? I guess they don't have to find it, they can just spot it. So I guess we could put mushrooms, but I guess we could just, they have to look at it to find it. They don't have to touch it, they just have to point it out. I guess mushrooms could be among these nature things to find. Like you just have to spot it. And we can make sure we're clear in the instructions that you just have to spot the item. And let's see what else. Yeah, sunshine, that could be another one they could spot. The sun. Okay, so now let's go to text and add subheading, and let's put the tree. And then we could, let's zoom in so we can do this better. And move the tree up and call it tree. And then let's go to Fedorka. Make it smaller. And then just move this up so it's so then it's gonna be leaves. And then dragonfly. And let's grab this text. I'm holding down shift. I'm going to go alt drag and do the same down here. And alt drag. Oops, alt drag. And then just define flowers. And then butterfly, rocks. And then do snail. And then bird. And then cat, caterpillar. And then this one is bee. Mushroom. And then the sun. And then we got to put checkboxes. So let's go over to elements again, click again until you go to shapes. And just go to square, click the square, and then go to white, and then the outline. Go to border 1, and then we could alter the border weight. So let's make it like 2. So it's like a checkbox, and click out of it. Now click it and then or drag it over. And I'm just holding down shift to keep the size, and I'm holding down alt drag. And I'm going to do the same here. Scoochie that over. Now hold down shift, and then I'm going to go to drag down here. For the others, look like this one needs some squares too next to them. Move butterflies over. Over a tree, and caterpillar over. Now hold alt again and drag down for their others. We make mushroom smaller, it's a big word. The sun. Put bird kind of close by the checkbox. Yeah, there we go. There's our scavenger hunt that we can put instructions. And let's make the instructions maybe just tenor stands, and then make it 18. And instructions pointing out each of the objects below, and check them off. The first child to find all the items wins. Let me just put items of the nature items below. And then like double click on instructions to make it bold. I guess we can't bold tenor stands. Okay, it's fine. Thought we could. Now some of them, the fonts can't be bolded. But there we go. There's like a little nature scavenger hunt. And then we could, do some effects with the text if you want to. We could hollow it out so the kids could color those words, or just doodle or something, or make that, or just go to none. Just keep it plain, I guess. And then when we're happy with it, we go to share, and we go to download, and then we can do PDF standard, or you can do PDF print, just whatever. And I'll just do standard because it's faster. And then now This is a printable that you can sell on Etsy. And it's just a simple, fast printable that you can use to make money, just like this person has done. Yeah, I think this one's kind of more complicated to find everything because it's not nice rows, but they're charging $184. So this is kind of an improvement because it's more organized, I think. So you always want to improve. You don't want to like copy somebody else's work. You want to like just be inspired by it and improve it to the best. And this one, also the words are really tiny to read, but this one has bigger words that a child could read easier. Well, as you could see, creating a scavenger hunt educational printable is fast and easy in Canva. Make sure to subscribe, be part of the Crafty family, and check out thebusinessbeachclub.com where I help you create and scale your own digital product business. You get over 20 courses on creating and selling digital products that you could sell and market. And also you get a digital product template delivered to you each and every month. And you get monthly live AI trainings, a private Facebook group, access to the members only sale and bundle, and so much more. Well, join thebusinessbeachclub.com now. And again, subscribe. Well, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.